Hi, my name is Hamid Ashmed and this is Shopsy.pk. Let me explain. So, this was a review of Samsung's flagship phone for 2019, Samsung Galaxy S10. If you want to know the price, you can go on to Shopsy.pk. I've given the link in the description. We have results from all the online stores from Pakistan. So you can just compare the prices. जो भी आपको price suit करे, you can buy it. Also tell me what products do you want me to review or any other suggestions, and I'll see you guys in a day or two. So yeah, subscribe, bell, घंटी, सब कुछ. Bye.